Here's a ball with the pencil right there sticking up between the tracks. We cut it just to the right size so that down here the eraser is sitting on top of a ball, and that ball gets kicked out by a ball from this cannon. Let's see how it works. To make this pencil work so that it stays on top of the ball, we dimpled it with a chopstick. Now it'll sit right on top of the ball, nice and clean, instead of rolling away. Alright, we start with our 3 marbles on an inclined plane. We go for a bunch of wiggly stuff and switches to make it really confusing. And then we drop into marble run, where they get all mixed up. And one of them comes out, actually all 3 of them come out. And we go down through another switch, run through some whole crazy stuff here. And back into marble run, drops down to the squiggly thing. And we have an unloaded cannon here with 0 balls on it. So we get 1 ball down this track, we get 1 ball this way through a switch. That loads the cannon. And then the 3rd ball runs this way, all the way over here, and we've got some dominoes set up. And so the jump launches the marble into the dominoes fall, switch back, smash this thing, go over there, blah, blah, blah. Then we've got a domino here that releases a marble. So once that blue domino falls, that marble gets stuck to the magnet and launches this off, launches that, and then that goes over 4 of these bridge pieces all the way back to the other side, where we do some stuff, and that finally launches the cannon, which fires through here, hits that silver ball on the bottom, which makes the pencil drop. When the pencil drops, that releases the blue ball. The blue ball goes up the scoop, down the ramp here, and through the gravity maze to the end inside the red block. So, let's see if this works.